Welcome to my family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating Monet-inspired 3D water lilies. The required materials include a cardboard base, acrylic paint in blues, greens, purples, and whites, paintbrushes, water cups and paper towels, construction paper in a variety of colors, tissue paper in a variety of colors, a pair of scissors, school glue or glue sticks, and oil pastels or markers for added details. Begin by painting your pond base. Use paint to cover your cardboard base with colors that represent water. Blend blues, greens, and purples to create depth. You can add lighter areas to suggest reflections or movement in the water. Allow the paint to dry before adding elements on top. Now let's create our lily pads. Cut oval or round shapes from green construction paper that represent lily pads. Add lines or details using markers or oil pastels to show texture and veins. Draw and cut petal shapes from construction paper or layer small pieces of tissue paper. Then glue your petals together in layers to form a blooming flower. Gently fold, curl, or crumple the material to create dimension. To make your lily stand out, lightly fold the petals upward or layer tissue paper loosely so the flower rises off the surface. You can also stack small pieces to increase height. Place your lily pads and flowers onto the painted background. Think about spacing, overlap, and balance as you design your pond scene. Glue the lily pads first, then attach the 3D flowers on top. Press gently while allowing the petals to keep their shape and dimension. Finally, add details such as ripples, reflections, or additional plants using paint, markers, or pastels. Allow everything to dry completely. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.